Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to view and export images from Microsoft Office documents. So it's called Office Files Images. So there's nothing to install, so you just download the zip file, extract it, and you just run this executable right here. Alright, so we have two files here. We have a PowerPoint slideshow that has a bunch of slides with some images here. And then we also have a Word document that has a lot of images. Alright, so we're going to close these first because it seems to work better with the documents closed. Alright, let's open the program here. So one thing to be aware of, if you click on import, it doesn't let you pick a file, it just lets you pick a folder. And then in this situation, it just seemed to want to import the PowerPoint, and then it kind of hung like it was trying to import the other one. So what I like to do is just drag and drop. So let's do the Word document first here. So you can see all the images here. So quite a few here, and you could change the view if you want to see them bigger. Alright, then you have the option to export it. So you have the export all plus. So this will end the program, shut down the computer. Probably don't want to use this, so I just like to use the export all option here without the plus. And then you have the option here for what type, if you want to narrow it down to just one of these four types, or otherwise it'll do them all. And then you could try this too if you just want to import Word documents. Let's say you want to do the import option on a specific folder and you want all the Word documents but nothing else, then you could pick, star.docx, for example, and try it that way. Okay, so let's click on Export All. So it opens up a folder here. It puts it in a temp folder called Office Files Images. So we had 149 pictures in this particular document, and they're all PNGs. And then you can do what you want with those. All right, and then one thing I noticed too is this kind of seems like it's hung here, and you can't click on stop. So if that happens, you could just try exiting the program, open it up again. This time we'll try the PowerPoint. You can see we have the pictures from the PowerPoint slides there. And we could do the same thing here. Then it puts it in a new folder, Office Files Images, and then 004. So as you do them, it'll put each file in its own folder to keep them separated. That's assuming you're exporting one file at a time here. Alright, so as you can see, it's very easy to use and it does a pretty good job. And it's nice that it's free as well. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Office Files Images and you can try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.